Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how to create an event in Microsoft Outlook. So first what you want to do, you have to press this button to the right, and then here you'll see new event. Then you want to enter the the event. You can add a person if you want, but I'm not going to do it. Then when you go to calendar, here you can see the event that you've created. And yeah, that's it. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.